Manager for John Thompson. First, I just want to say congratulations. I know it's always difficult kind of moving out of a working environment, and now you need to study and you need to complete assignments, and having that balance in itself is generally a challenge. So well done. I think it really, I would say people that study and work, you can pat yourself on the back. I always find it very invigorating attending these things and seeing a team that is so excited after they've gone through this. And you've mentioned, a lot of words were mentioned, the tools and the skills that you were given. And I believe when you start working, you're given a toolbox, and every time you go on a course or training facilitation, or you have an experience at work, it's tools you put in your toolbox. But we really need to, I think, be cautious that that toolbox isn't pushed under the table or under the bed and it rusts. So it's important to constantly have your toolbox with you. And at the end of the day, your future is in your hands. A company can only, we can equip you with all of the tools in the toolboxes, but if you don't take accountability and responsibility and constantly use the tools and grow and enrich yourself, nobody's going to determine your success instead of you. And I think then, just to close off, I think just remember, a lot of people can be managers and you can have a manager title. But you don't need to be a manager to be a good leader in your organization. And that's the challenge that I want to put to you today, is don't focus on the title, but with the skills and the tools that you've obtained here, is be a leader that doesn't look down, but look up, and just live the values of your company and that strategic alignment.
Thank you very much.